Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anurag, the Life Doc here, and welcome to my channel. So normally in this channel, what I do is I make videos related to health, positivity and motivation. But recently I have started helping out health professionals with the Occupational English Test or OET. Okay, so I thought I should make videos to help people out, and this video is for speaking practice. Okay, but wait, if you're here for the fun content and other fun videos, then you can check them out here. Okay, but if you're here for speaking practice, then yeah, you are here in the right place. Okay, so the video format is as such that I will be the patient or the interlocutor and I will talk to you. Okay, and for your part there will be text on the screen which you can follow to speak, and I hope that this will help you to speak in an interactive manner with me. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. And before we start, I would like to request you to press that subscribe button because later you'll forget about it. I'm sure of it, so please do it right now. And this one is called Breaking Bad News. All right, so follow along and happy practicing. Hi, I have an appointment with you today. Well, I'm not doing very well. The medications you gave me, I guess they didn't work. That's not nice. So what about it? No, I'm fine. I think I can handle it. Yeah, please tell me what's wrong. Yes, that's correct. Oh, really? I mean, I have a healthy lifestyle, so I'm quite shocked that I have this condition. Well, I actually do know it, so I'd rather just know about the treatment of it. Okay, so actually, to be honest, I am a bit confused with all these solutions. Okay, so would you be kind enough to tell me which one would be the best in my case? No, I don't actually. Tell me, please. Well, to some extent, man, all of this is very new to me. I don't know. I have been diagnosed with this condition, so I believe I will somehow have to manage it, right? Yeah, that'd be really nice. So, yeah, thank you. Okay, so that was for the practice video. I hope that you got the format right. Okay, you can just follow along with it and make sure to include your own responses there as well. I'm just trying to give you someone virtually for practice. Okay. Yeah, that was it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be making other speaking practice videos as well. And if you want to watch some fun content in the meanwhile, then you can check out other videos here somewhere around. I'll keep the link there. Okay. Yeah, so keep on watching the live talk, keep on supporting, and I hope that you get your desired score in your occupational English test. All right, so until then, stay positive, stay healthy, and stay strong.